Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you're editing YouTube videos, tutorials, vlogs, gaming clips, or short-form content, yeah, subtitles can make your videos easier to understand and more engaging for viewers. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load the project where you want to add subtitles. Next, open the edit page because this is where subtitle tracks are usually added and managed. Now right-click inside the timeline area and choose Add Subtitle Track. After creating subtitles, preview the video carefully and correct any spelling mistakes or timing issues. Once everything looks good, open the Deliver page and export the final video with subtitles included. And that's basically how to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. Subtitles can improve accessibility, engagement, and watch time across YouTube, TikTok, and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.